All right, the Titans are going to run some zone to the left with a two tight end formation, and usually when you run zone to one direction, a tight end will seal off the backside end. In this case, sometimes it's a short seal. In this case, it's going to be a very long seal. Okay, and 81's going to go to seal Watt, but he comes on a blitz, so he bumps into him anyway. The line does a good job clearing everyone out of the way. He takes him, you'll kind of see. That's why we run zone, and kind of see how this ends up going. As this tight end goes out for a pass, we'll get it rolling here. Sorry. He's going to kind of leave Watt unblocked, which is perfect, which is what they want. He's going to go get this in, but runs into that blitzing linebacker. Regardless, the line clears everyone out. Henry has a free escape. Now, how they drew it up, but sometimes you have to adapt, and he's off to the races. Also, if you're curious if J.J. Watt's still any good, yeah, he is. He's not that Hall of Fame force he was 5 years ago, but he disposes of this tackle and stuffs 250-pound Derrick Henry for no gain. Here we go. Dispose of him. Henry's going to try to hit that front side B gap to no avail, and Watt's 300-pound ass brings him down. There you go.